It was time to board the plane.
Here you go. Are you reading the newspaper? Huh?
Yeah.
Upside down. Upside down. Wow. Choke. Uche. You ready? Uche is always feeling sick inside plane.
A long trip was ahead of us. Thank God for the stopover in Ethiopia, where we got to eat a very delicious pizza with a lot of mozzarella cheese, something we had been missing a lot. And after some waiting, it was time to take the bus that would take us to the plane for us to continue our journey onward to Switzerland. It was already late in the evening, but nobody wanted to sleep. They were excited about the travel.
Last stop.
Milan.
Time to say goodbye to Africa.
Wat haast? Jullie weer? Ja, nee, geslapen.
And once we landed in Zurich and it was time to get down, Nierugo was happy because he had some takeaway biscuits.
Here you go. We have arrived. Video voor me. Let's go. Ja? Oh, zo leuk wat laatst actually.
And before we knew it, it was time to go and collect our bags. Nierugo was delighted about all the space he had to run around. But the highlight was still coming. Reuniting with our family. I'm sorry guys, the heavy luggage trolley and the excitement didn't allow me to really video this very well. But I guess it's obvious that after almost a year, we were overjoyed to see everybody back again. Even for those that came to visit us in Nigeria, like my mom. But we were not yet home. We still had to take the train and the tram. And Nierugo was really excited about this one.
Oh nee.
Er dacht niet genoeg te zitten.
Here you go.
And then it was finally time to relax and enjoy a buffet full of weie, Swiss type of cakes, together with my family. Home sweet home.